Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can set one-time password or OTP for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and then we have to go to the connection setting, and we can scroll down and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then you can go to the mobile hotspot, and if you want to set one-time password for your mobile hotspot, you have to set security password for your hotspot. If your hotspot is opened for everyone, you're not able to activate this one-time password. And right after you set security password for your mobile hotspot, you can activate the OTP or one-time password. You just need to click on the circle button like this to activate it. Then you can click on this one-time password to get the password. So this is my one-time password, and you can share this password with guests to allow them to use your mobile hotspot temporarily. The next time you turn on a mobile hotspot, the password will be reset as well. Alright guys, and that's how we can set OTP for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.